Hi there, this is John Hyman from Commercial Real Estate Online. Welcome to the program. This is another video for my friends in commercial real estate brokerage around the world. Indeed, if you haven't visited our website, please check it out at commercial-realestate-training.com. So in this particular video, I'm going to be talking about some things that can help you attract more deals in commercial real estate brokerage in your location, town or city, no matter where you are located around the world. So, let's set some rules. When you look at these particular points, I'll move through them and give you some ideas here. The first point is we all know and expect that to get anywhere in a sales-related career, you have to work hard. And that is certainly the case. That's what commercial real estate is like. There are elements of competition to work through. And of course, the clients in the marketplace may know a number of agents. So what you need to do is stand out as the best agent, the best solution, the expert that you want to be within your property type and the location. So the second point says that commercial real estate brokerage is very much like that, and certainly that is the case. So to go further, and the third point here is you have to work hard. However, if you have a systematic approach to what you do, things will improve dramatically over time and in a better way. Now, systems drive business in commercial real estate. One of the most important things that you can do to take your career forward is to develop a system in brokerage that you can work to every day. Not once a week, but every day. Something you can do to drive your pipeline, your churn, your clients, your listings forward. A system brings results. If you're struggling now, have a look at the system or the lack of system that you have now and improve it. So in simple terms, you can set some rules to the brokerage process. Let's look at that a bit further. Improving results. What can you do? Well, here are some specific facts to help you get your career under control and hence improve your results. One listing leads to another, providing you do the right things. So what's the idea here? If you list quality properties, you will find that the marketing process of one listing will let you talk to many local people. That's a great thing. So every listing allows you to create conversations and connect with people, be it door knocking, be it across the telephone, in meetings, whatever. Use your listings to talk to other people. You'll also have some good inquiry coming towards you through that process, and that will allow you to carefully capture and nurture the leads and the information that you get from all of your marketing campaigns. So your marketing campaigns produce inquiry, and that is certainly the case if you are working with quality listings. So build your database and client base from all of your marketing campaigns, your listings, your activity locally. Use one listing to create conversations with people locally. A simple message, it's so easy. When you win a listing, it is the start of the marketing process, the very start of taking things forward. And when you understand that every listing is an opportunity, then you can do more with your marketing. Quite a few decisions need to be made about target marketing and promotional strategies with each of your listings, and certainly so with exclusivity. Focus on your exclusive listings 75% of the time and convert them. Maximum effort can be applied to an exclusive listing. However, you do need some vendor-paid marketing funds to attract volumes of attention into the campaign. So, when you convert an exclusive listing, get some form of vendor-paid marketing, even if it's simple and basic, such as online marketing. However, ask for the money. That's the story. Ask for the money as part of exclusive listing. With most property types, you'll need about 1% of the value of the property to be applied to the marketing campaign. And of course, as the value of the property goes up, then that percentage will change. But understand what you need to market a property effectively and directly into the target market in your location. How would you spend that 1% into online, offline and direct marketing? How would you spend that money? Have a story to tell, and don't be generic when it comes to telling the vendor about your marketing activities. Spend the money wisely and directly on promotional efforts that are well considered. I go back to the point, exclusive listings demand that extra attention. So, point number 3, the marketing variations. What can you do there? Let's look. Any one good quality property should be marketed in a few different formats. That includes advertising layout and content. So when you take that point and understand it, you can take your single property, your property listing, and have some different formats to take to the market campaign. You can use the portals in different ways. You can have advertising layout, different stories, different advertising copy. So that then allows you to promote the same property more effectively on different websites and industry portals. That means you're spending more time in directed marketing and the marketing message. Every exclusive listing should be handled that way. And some brokerages have a professional copywriter overseeing and helping with the advertising copy. That's good. Whilst it is an expense to every campaign, it can be justified and the rewards are many. So that means that add the specialised service of a professional copywriter to your vendor paid marketing budgets. Easy, simple. Maybe it's $100 or $150 for a professional copywriter to shape your rather generic advert. Going further, refreshing listings. What can you do there? Every 14 days of a marketing campaign, refresh the listing with different photographs and promotional copy. Include as part of that a modification of price or rent if those factors are published in the campaign. In other words, change the rent or the price if the vendor will let you do that. To do this, of course, you'll need a client that is conditioned to market conditions and inspection results. In other words, the client is prepared to allow the price or rent to change to encourage inquiry. The message here is that a change to marketing will help with the inquiries coming back into you. And of course, that can then shorten the time on market with the listing, and that's what you want, and that's what the client wants. But of course, the best results. So refreshing the listings really does work. Let's go to number 5. Feedback. When you conduct an inspection or get an inquiry from a qualified prospect, record the results in the client feedback form. At the end of each week, you can use the form as a way of updating the client and also conditioning them to the facts of the market. In other words, if the inquiry coming in is slow, then you can show them that through the feedback forms from the inspections and the inquiries. The good thing here is that the comments are from other people and not you. In other words, you're using third-party comment to condition the client. And you are then the messenger. You're not pushing the client is seeing the comments of other people. So when handled correctly, you can position the client and the property for a shorter time on market and an effective deal negotiation when it starts. In other words, the client's conditioned. That's the feedback process. That's what you should focus on. So let's look at it in summary form. From these things, you can see that the property marketing process is one of considerable planning and process. You're doing more with your listings. You're doing more to get results. Every listing should be positioned for real momentum and inquiry opportunity. Position your listings, work on them, spend more time on them. Of course, differentiate between open listings and exclusive listings. When you do that, you'll understand where your time should be spent, and the clients that you're working for will get better results over time. So that is the end of this particular video. Of course, you can visit the website, which is commercial-realestate-training.com. This is John Hyman signing off for now. I'll catch you in the next video.